When you purchase one of our repair kits, it provides you with everything you need to do a variety of small do-it-yourself repairs. These repair kits are very useful to keep on hand. If you ever come across an emergency where you have a minor repair that can be easily fixed but you don't have the materials for it, this provides you with all of those materials that you would need. Inside there are 8 vinyl patches. These come in a roll of squares. There is red, yellow, blue, orange, purple, green, and black and white, so that you have all the colors you need to do a variety of patches on different inflatables depending on the colors that you need. They're large enough that you can cut them down to do several patches per color depending on the size of the tear or the hole that you need to patch. We also have a video tutorial showing you exactly how to patch inflatables that you can check out. The next item is a square piece of mesh. This is a type of mesh you find on different bounce houses and slides. This is a large enough patch that you can use to cut it down for the same purpose as the vinyl patches. You can cut it into little areas that you need for if you ever need to patch a small hole or tear in a netting that doesn't require the entire netting to be replaced. This is a good solution to where you can patch it up to keep it lasting a little while longer. Along with the mesh and the vinyl patches, there is also a patch of rainbow netting. This is for the same purpose for different bounce houses that have this large squared mesh. You can use this to patch netting that isn't completely worn out but just needs some small repairs in it. We do also have video tutorials on how to patch rainbow netting as well as the black mesh. To patch on vinyl areas, you will need some vinyl cement glue, which is provided in the repair kit. You get a 4-ounce can of glue. There are also options to upgrade the size when you order online, but the 4-ounce can is enough to do several patches. This glue is specifically designed to adhere vinyl to vinyl, so when you take a vinyl patch and you use it to glue a hole on an inflatable, it is completely permanent and is not going to go anywhere. Next, you get a sewing awl kit. This has a sewing awl, a spool of thread, as well as a curved needle attached to the top of the package that you can use for a variety of different uses. The sewing awl itself can be used to punch thick areas of vinyl to get you a start for when you're ready to stitch back up a large tear. The curved needle can be used to weave the thread through the previously punched holes and, like I said, conduct larger repairs that are needed. And we do have videos on how to use the sewing awl as well as the curved needle. You are also provided with a brand new pair of scissors that you can use to cut the vinyl, the netting, or whatever you need it to conduct your repairs. Lastly, you are provided with a seam ripper. These are used to break the seams of already sewn inflatables. If you need to open an area of an inflatable to access an area that needs to be repaired, these are used to break the stitching to enter the inflatable without damaging the unit any further. That is everything provided in our repair kits. Like I mentioned before, we have plenty of tutorials showing you how to use all of the items in our kits. So feel free to look at the links in the description to explore all of our tutorial videos. We have a large collection of videos showing you how to do a wide variety of repairs on your own.